Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll explore the fascinating world of cattle farming, focusing on the millions of Longhorn cattle raised across America and Africa. From their unique characteristics to the farming practices that sustain them. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the star of our video, the Longhorn cattle. Known for their impressive horns that can span up to 7 feet, Longhorns are more than just a pretty face. They are a hardy breed, well adapted to various environments. Originating in the United States, they were first brought over by Spanish explorers in the 15th century. Today, they thrive in various climates, from the ranches of Texas to the diverse terrains of Africa. Cattle farming practices can vary significantly between America and Africa. In America, many Longhorns are raised on expansive ranches, often in pasture-based systems that allow them to graze naturally. This method promotes healthier livestock and supports sustainability. Conversely, in Africa, cattle farming is often intertwined with traditional lifestyles. Many communities practice pastoralism, moving herds to find fresh grazing land. These farming practices are not just about economics. They're also deeply rooted in cultural traditions. Cattle farming plays a crucial role in the economies of both continents. In the US, the beef industry alone is valued in billions, while in Africa, cattle are vital for livelihoods, serving as a source of income and food security. From markets to local butcheries, cattle farming supports millions of jobs and drives economic growth. However, cattle farming faces several challenges, including overgrazing and climate change impacts. Over time, some regions suffer from soil degradation and reduced biodiversity. To combat these issues, many farmers are adopting sustainable practices. Techniques like rotational grazing, agroforestry, and organic farming can help restore ecosystems while maintaining productivity. Looking ahead, innovation in cattle farming is on the rise. Technology such as drone monitoring, genetic research, and improved feed efficiency is changing the landscape of cattle farming. Experts emphasize that embracing sustainability and technology will be key to the future of cattle farming. Today, we've explored the world of Longhorn cattle and cattle farming across America and Africa. By merging traditional practices with modern technology, we can look forward to a sustainable future in agriculture. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. What aspects of cattle farming interest you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.